In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Acrobat Web login issues by fully signing out, closing Chrome, and signing back in using an incognito window. If Acrobat Web is not loading correctly, keeps you stuck on a sign-in loop, or behaves strangely after you log in, the issue is often related to browser session data. In many cases, saved cookies or background browser processes can interfere with a clean login. What we're going to do here is refresh that session in a simple, controlled way without changing any account settings. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to the Acrobat User Web Dashboard. Once you're there, sign out of the account completely. Make sure you are fully logged out of the Acrobat Web experience before moving on. This matters because if the session remains partially active, Chrome may continue using the same problematic data the next time you try to log in. After you've signed out, close all running browser windows. Don't just close the current tab. You want to fully shut down every Chrome window that's open. This helps stop any lingering background processes that may still be holding on to old session information. If Chrome was stuck or behaving unpredictably, this full closure gives it a better chance to start fresh. Next, relaunch Chrome, but this time open an incognito window before going back to Acrobat Web. Using incognito is helpful because it creates a temporary browsing session that does not rely on the same stored cookies and cached sign-in data as your normal browser window. That makes it a useful way to test whether corrupted browser storage is causing the problem. Once the incognito window is open, go to Acrobat Web and log back into your profile. Enter your normal account credentials and complete the sign-in process as you usually would. By doing this in a clean private session, you can often bypass the corrupted cookie storage that was preventing the site from working properly in the standard browser view. If the login works normally in incognito, that's a strong sign that the original issue was browser data related. At that point, you'll know the session itself was the problem rather than the account. This is a quick and effective troubleshooting method that can save time when Acrobat Web won't behave as expected. That's it. Fully sign out, completely close Chrome, reopen it in incognito, and then sign back in for a clean session reset.